Instead of focusing only on the result, why don't we learn how to focus on the process? Right now in our society, you need to understand the only thing that is permanent in this world is what? Change.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Ikaw ba isang teenager or if not, young professional at gusto mong makatulong sa iyong magulang? Nako, good news! Meron isi-share sa iyo si Tito Chinky na pwedeng magbago ng inyong financial life forever. So tune in, don't tune out. Hi there, this is Chinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. Maraming salamat sa pag-tune in sa channel na ito. Kung ikaw ay may desire na gusto mong umunlad, yumaman, ito na yung channel na hinihintay mo, kaya mag-subscribe ka na. Alam mo mga friendship, no, if I can turn back the hands of time and go back when I was in my 20s, ano pwede kong sabihin sa sarili ko na para maiwasan ko na lahat ng mga kapalpakan at pagkakamali na ginawa ko sa buhay? Alam mo, sa totoo lang ha, if there is one advice that I can give myself is this. Pakinggan mo to mabuti. Never ever chase money. Bakit? Kung ang pera ang habol mo sa buhay, ang pera po ay mailap. I don't know kung ikaw, professional ka na 40s, 50s, 30, 40s, 50s, hanggang ngayon ba hinahanap mo pa rin yung gusto mong kitain yung million mo pero hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nagpaparamdam at hindi pa rin nagpapakita. Kasi yan po ang turo sa akin ng aking mga magulang ng bata pa ako. Lahat sinasabi sa akin, anak, lahat pwede kita, pasok. So ang mindset ko, konti kita dito, konti kita dito, konti kita dito para grupo, laki kita. Pero alam mo, tunay nangyari, konti rugi dito, konti rugi, the grupo, laki rodi. I was a jack of all trades, master of none. Until such time, I met my mentor na si Francis Kong and told me this, Chinky, you've been pursuing the wrong things in life. Para talagang siya kung Confucius kung magsalita. The more you pursue money in life, the more money will run away from you. What you should pursue is purpose, and become the best at your purpose. Grabe naman talaga. Sinabi ko, ano yung purpose yan? Makakain ba yan? Makakain ba yan? Ito nga, I just want to educate you, especially if you're a young person right now. It is the wrong way of thinking. Mamaya, in the end, i-reveal ko sa inyo why pursuing your purpose and becoming the best is important. Kasi kapag tinanong ka kung bakit mo gustong magandang trabaho, gusto ko kasi mataas ang sweldo. Kapag tinanong ka bakit gusto mong magnegosyo, gusto ko kasi malaki kita. O, wala namang masama. Kasi money is always in our mind. Again, wala namang masama. Kasi ultimately, syempre, goal mo yan. However, let me challenge you to another way of thinking, lalo na kung bata ka. Instead of thinking, what's in it for me financially? Why don't we ask ourselves, what's in it for me skill-wise in order for me to earn the money? Anong kailangan kong matutunan? Anong kailangan kong gawin? Diba? Para kumita ako ng malaki. Ano yung skills na magigain ko? Diba? So in other words, instead of focusing only on the result, why don't we learn how to focus on the process? So bago ko ipaliwanag kung bakit po napakahalaga yung proseso kesa sa resulta, babatiin ko muna si Rosalie Gloria, si Me Buzz, at the same time si Jeline Labergas. Maraming salamat. O ito lang bakit po kailangan natin matuto mag-build ng skills at matuto sa process? Listen, because a lot of people want to eat the cake but only a few people want to learn the process of baking a cake. If you finish the cake, you need more money to buy cakes. But if you know how to bake a cake, you will never run out of cakes. A lot of people want to become rich and want to earn a lot of money, but only a few people want to learn the process, the skills, the talent in order for you to earn money. Alam mo, ito lang natutunan ko sa buhay. If you learn the skill, the talent, everything will follow. Mabilis lang. Kaya nga, alam mo ito lang bakit mo kailangang i-build yung skills mo? Right now, in our society, you need to understand the only thing that is permanent in this world is what? Change. Lahat ng mga natutunan natin, especially in my time, tagal na. Nung ako ay high school, computer namin, DOS, tapos ang buong computer 486, pero ngayon po ang 486 one image na lang po yan. So in other words, things that I've learned before is already obsolete. So I didn't really upgrade, reinvent myself. Because if I continue to apply kung ano yung natutunan ko, wala na. Ganun din. Maraming kabataan po ngayon, iniisip mo na ang dami nilang alam. Pero sa totoo lang, sa dami nga, sa bilis nga na nangyayari sa technology, maari yung alam mo, obsolete na rin. And then, if you always think that alam mo na lahat, ito lang naman ang basis. Kung talagang tunay na alam mo ang lahat, ibig sabihin, successful ka na. Ibig sabihin, kumikita ka na ng maayos. Diba? Yan naman ang basis eh. So, kung hindi ka pa kumikita ng maayos at di mo pa tinatamaan na desired ng income, ang ibig sabihin, kulang pa ang iyong kaalaman at wala ka pang alaman. Yan lang naman talaga. Kaya nga this is very dangerous para sa kabataan na nagsasabi na alam ko na, alam na this. Ito lang reality. The moment you stop learning, you stop growing. Kaya nga yung mga taong talagang nagiging matagumpay ay lifelong learners. They are curious. They want to build new skills. They love learning. When you have this type of mindset, alam mo, isa ka na talagang yayamanin. So, ask yourself, ano yung skills na pwede nyo matutunan ngayon na pwede mo ibenta, pwede mo i-market? Ito na magbibigay ako sa inyo ng sample ng mga skills na kailangan nyo matutunan. Number 1 is selling skills. Alam mo, online and offline dapat kailangan matuto ka. Face-to-face at the same time through social media, kailangan matuto ka. That's number 1. Number 2 po, learn how to use social media to promote. Whether you like it or not, lahat na po tayo. Bago tayo bumili, saan tayo nagche-check? Sa social media na po. Number 3, learn how to use technology for your advantage. Especially kung kayo ay nagnenegosyo. Kung kayo po ay offline pa rin, please, pumunta na kayo sa online. Online is the key right now. Gumamit na kayo ng selling platform, Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop. Bakit po? Kung gusto nyo mag-umunlad, kailangan matuto na kayo magbenta online. Kung ito lang 3 skills na matutunan nyo, selling skills, tapos digital, at the same time, marunong ka mag-online marketing at online selling, ay nako, tsak na tsak ko, ikaw ay payaman. Ang dami ng kabataan ngayon ang kumikita because of using social media. So right now, I will give you 2 options as I end. Number 1 option, napakinggan mo to at sinabi mo, hey, hindi naman tama sinasabi niya. Okay lang, kung di ka naniniwala sa akin, tignan na lang natin yung resulta. May resulta ka ba o wala? Or pangalawa, na-realize mo, ay nako, wala pa rin nangyayari sa buhay ko hanggang ngayon. Wala pa rin akong kita, wala pa rin akong ipon, lubog pa rin ako sa utang. It's time for you to change. It's time for you to know your purpose. It's time for you to know your calling in life. It's time for you to learn a new skill in order for you to monetize what you are good at. So guys, I hope that you are enlightened, lalo na mga kabataan. Be teachable, be humble, and be willing to learn. Sana naman nakakatulong ako sa episode na ito. And if you find this video valuable, please do me a favor. I-cut paste nyo tong link na ito at i-share nyo tong link na ito sa friends nyo sa social media para may mga ibang taong makinabang. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina ang susi po sa pagyaman.